Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can cook and grow a garden. So I'm just going to go here, and as you can see, right now the craving is ice cream, but I'm just going to wait for the next craving. It's going to come up in 30 seconds. So I'll give you the rundown of everything you can cook basically while we wait. So soup is 1 time anything, sandwich is 2 tomatoes, 1 corn, pie is 1 pumpkin and 1 apple, burger is 1 pepper, 1 corn, 1 tomato, waffle is 1 pumpkin and 1 watermelon or 1 sugar apple. Salad is 2 times tomatoes, hot dog is 1 time pepper and 1 corn or 1 banana. Ice cream is 1 blueberry and 1 corn. Donut is 1 strawberry, 1 tomato, 1 apple. Pizza is 1 corn, 1 pepper, 1 tomato. Right now it's cake. I don't have the recipe right now for cake. I'm not sure what that would be. Let me see if there is anything. Cake. There's nothing for cake. Hold on. I'm just gonna search up grow a garden cake recipe. Okay. Let's see, cake. Okay, cake is 1 watermelon and 2 corns. Okay, I don't have a watermelon, so I'm just gonna plant them now. Or did I plant one already? Oh, I did. Okay, so it's planting right now, I think. Wait, no, it's not. Oh, I do have a watermelon. Okay, let's just go back there. So cake is 1 watermelon and 2 times corn. Okay, I was missing a recipe for cake, so let me go here and then submit plant. Okay, wait, let me favorite that. And then I will need 2 times corn. Oh my gosh, I need to go back to my garden. Okay, let's go back there. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Just going to search for corn. Whoops. Okay, I probably had some just now. Okay, I'm going to submit plant. Then I'm going to submit it again. Then I'm just going to press the green button. It will take around 5 minutes and I will be right back with the finished product. After you are done cooking, you are just going to select get donut. Okay, I don't know why it didn't make it into a cake. It should be a cake, but I guess it's a donut. I don't know what it will what would happen if I just give it to Chris. Oh, I guess I still get rewarded, but I didn't get the big rewards. I don't know what's wrong with the cake recipe, but it should be correct. But I'll check again and give it to you guys in the description box down below. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.